Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are learning about singular and plural topic. So what is noun? A noun is a word that names a person, place, thing or idea. So a singular noun refers to one person, place or thing. Example, one cat, one boy, one girl, one book, like that. And second thing, a plural. A plural noun refers to more than one person, place or thing. Example, two cats, three boys, many apples, five books, five pens, like that. Now, rule number one, add s to most nouns, means singular plural. Singular means pen, plural means pens, like that. Dog, dogs. Apple, apples. Ball, balls, like that. See, and next, add es, nouns ending in s, sh, ch, x or z. Singular, bus, buses. Box, boxes. Brush, brushes, like that. See, now the third rule, nouns end in constant plus y. Change y to ies. Baby, babies. Lady, ladies. City, cities, like that. So, but if a vowel comes before y, just add s. Boy, boys. Key, keys. Toy, toys, like that. Guys, I think you are understanding everything. So now rule number 4, ending in f or fe change to ves, means knife, knives, leaf, leaves. You are observing that? Wolf, wolves, life, lives. So roof, roofs, chief, chiefs, like that. Add s for singular, es means plural. Man, men. Woman, women. Child, children. This is the way we have to understand the grammar, guys. So here, tooth, teeth. Foot, feet. Mouse, mice. Goose, geese. Person, people. Guys, if one person is there, we will call person. More than one means people. Example in sentences, the boy is playing, singular. The boys are playing, plural. I have a book. We have many books. This is child. Guys, hope you understand this video.